Ever wondered how to generate passive income through YouTube Shorts using AI technology? Allow me to introduce you to Ninja Short, a revolutionary training guide designed to help you tap into the potential of YouTube Shorts channels. With the rising popularity of YouTube Shorts, the opportunity for substantial earnings has never been greater. Ninja Short simplifies the content creation process by offering practical tips, expert insights, and even pre-made templates. No need for extensive video editing skills or showing your face on camera. Let's dive deeper into what Ninja Short is and how it can revolutionize your content creation journey. So how does Ninja Short work, you might ask? Well, it's all about simplifying the content creation process. Ninja Short offers a treasure trove of practical tips and expert insights to help you create engaging YouTube Shorts. It's like having a seasoned content creator whispering their secrets directly to you. But that's not all. Ninja Short also provides pre-made templates. These templates are your shortcut to creating catchy videos that command attention. No need to start from scratch or spend hours brainstorming ideas. Simply pick a template, add your unique touch, and voila, your video is ready to go. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't have video editing skills, or I'm camera shy. Don't fret. With Ninja Short, you don't need to be a whiz at video editing or show your face on camera. It's all about the content. It's about creating short, compelling videos that grab your audience and keep them engaged. In a nutshell, Ninja Short equips you with the necessary skills and tools to drive traffic, increase views, and boost sales through YouTube Shorts. Now let's uncover the benefits and key features of Ninja Short. This tool is a treasure trove for all those who wish to make their mark in the world of content creation. What sets Ninja Short apart is its ability to simplify the content creation process. It provides practical tips, expert insights, and pre-made templates, which means you don't need extensive video editing skills or have to show your face on camera. Ninja Short understands the importance of engagement in today's digital age. It helps you create short, catchy videos that are bound to attract traffic. But it doesn't stop there. This tool is designed to increase your views and sales, making it a worthwhile investment for your business. Moreover, it taps into the growing popularity of YouTube Shorts. This means you're not only keeping up with the trend, but also leveraging it to your advantage. Content creators, this is your chance to ride the wave and make substantial earnings. With its numerous benefits and features, Ninja Short is a game changer in content creation. Why should you choose Ninja Short? With Ninja Short, you're not just purchasing a tool, you're investing in an opportunity to generate passive income through engaging YouTube Shorts. It's user-friendly, requiring no advanced editing skills or camera presence. And here's the clincher, Ninja Short comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you're not out of pocket. Plus, a potential discount could make this deal even sweeter. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Check the discount link in the description below, and embark on your successful content creation journey with Ninja Short today.